Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the watch and the phone. Make sure the watch has at least 30% battery to avoid interruptions. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep devices within 3 meters so signals stay strong. Now open the companion app and tap Pair New Device. Follow on-screen prompts until the watch shows a pairing code. You should see a code on both screens. Confirm they match to authorize the connection and move to the next setup phase. Once paired, you need to configure permissions and syncing so features actually work. Grant the app location, notification, and any requested access. This enables accurate tracking and alerts. Then sign into or create the account to store preferences and enable cloud backup. Make sure to install any available firmware update. Updates often resolve connectivity bugs. Finally, choose which notifications, health data, and apps to sync. To finish, force a manual sync and test key features. Make a call, send a message, and check step and heart rate readings to confirm live updates. Next, enable automatic backup and enable Find My Watch or Remote Locate so you can recover data and device if lost. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fixes first. Reboot the watch and phone, then repair through the app. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone or factory reset the watch before pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.